Hi, this is Cardinal Dr. Elizabeth Samantha Rothschild Judge, Judge Rothschild. I wanted to share a case event that I experienced years ago, whereby from my federal capacity, I was assigned to a case involving an attorney who was also a pedophile, and he was notorious, involved in drug trafficking and human smuggling as well. The man approached me, actually, unbeknownst to him that I was the one assigned to his case. He had no idea. If he had any idea of the investigations, then he did not display that knowledge in my presence. So he approached me, which saved me a little time and trouble in the beginning, because I was trying to figure out how can I approach him without making him suspicious. So he approached me, and I figured out throughout the investigation why he approached me first. He was trying to bear association to me in my regards as an educator, so that he could mask and cover up his criminal activity, using my rapport and reputation for his own clout. So what he started doing was asking me out a lot. And when we would be in public, I would notice cameras around that were not federally authorized, and they were not regular tourists. So he got so many pictures of him and me in the same frame that he just knew he was going to get away with it. He just knew that his reputation would be resolved by being seen with me in different places. He never asked me to take a picture or anything like that. Nonetheless, when he went to prove his worth before the bar at the expiration of some term or something that he was dealing with under their regulations, and these were the bars in both Louisiana and Texas, he produced all of these photo shots of me to try to influence them of our association being one of worth, whereby he could bear that clout, and basically confessed his stalking me, basically confessed his harassment of me, getting footage of me without my awares, unauthorized media, and unauthorized presence around me. That was larceny, because he approached me and I had no idea that that's what he was doing. So although I was assigned to his case, he still got a grand larceny charge. And yes, he was put to death. He was executed years ago. He had so much footage of me and him in the same frame that was grand larceny, even though I was assigned to him, but I never approached him. And him approaching me got him additional charges than what I was investigating him for. So that's how I learned out about the grand larceny as well. I just wanted to share that case because there's a lot that goes on. A case could be under investigation for 10 years, and the criminals could actually be living their normal criminal lives, abnormal criminal lives, daily for a good length of time without really grasping the fact that they're under investigation and that they're going to do time, while innocent bystanders and victims stand by and watch these criminals be free to roam around and do whatever they want to do to commit more crime. But I'm telling you this, an investigation could be underway 10 years or more, and then the criminals are brought in and definitely found guilty, especially with that being the length of time to gather evidence. So what they would have served maybe a year and 15 months at the beginning when investigations began. At the end, may wind them up with 20 years or more, 10 years or more. If they're free for 10 years, they're definitely going to do 10 years. So just wanted to share that legal experience that I had during the time that I first became a judge. And, well, I was on a federal assignment. It wasn't from my private chambers. I had not even opened private chambers at that time. So just to say how all things work together for the good of those who love the Lord and are called according to his purpose. Justice was served, even though the criminal thought he had outsmarted everyone, especially when he was able to create and bear association to me, which got him nowhere, because the testament, the true testimony, will provide all of the information that needs to be known in determining a person's guilt and a person's association to anything. You all have a great day.